We will go to Mursi. Maybe Dingit.
I don't go.
No?
Mursi. Mursi and
Dingit.
Ari
Oh, and Ari,
fighting.
yeah, fighting.
No good.
Okay, yes, yes. Big problem.
There's a dude in here. Get that there, I need the light. It has been placed on fire. We're on the way to Mursi finally. Hours and hours later.
It's taken a whole day just to get on the journey. It is what it is. TIA.
We gotta go. It's gonna be so late, we're not gonna be able to put our tents up. It's gonna be too dark. There's no electricity in the Mursi. Here we go. Now that we are slipping and sliding all throughout Southern Ethiopia in this video, I can explain to you exactly what I'm doing and where I'm going. The Mursi, or Mun as they refer to themselves, are a Surmic ethnic group in Ethiopia, which reside in the very south of the country in a region called the Omo Valley, close to the border with the Sudan. They make up what is academically understood as the Southern Nations, Nationalities, and Peoples region, SNNPR, and are probably about 10,000 large in terms of population. The Mursi people are surrounded by mountains between the Omo River and its tributary, the Mago, one of the most isolated regions in the country, and in fact, all of Africa. Their neighbors include tribes like the Ari, the Bana, the Karo, the Kwegu, and the Suri. The Mursi, however, are grouped together with the Suri by the Ethiopian government under the name Surma. It is September 2019, and I am traveling in a caravan with my close colleague and confidant, Benjamin Dome, a photojournalist from the UK who is also related to the infamous Dr. David Turton, former director of the Refugee Studies Center, later affiliated with the African Studies Center at Oxford. Dr. Turton had been living and visiting with the Mursi since the 1970s, and beloved by the tribe, had become well known for his research and studies with these and surrounding peoples, while dispelling popular myths around their behavior, dress, and culture in general. While having befriended several in the Mursi, Ben and I are traveling on special invite to join them for several days in the bush, something most white Westerners are simply not allowed to do with this particular tribe. Their isolation makes it difficult to visit, and most foreigners, Africans included, rarely make this trip, If they do, they make the same hours-long journey by jeep through the hills and muddy slopes that made Ethiopia impossible to conquer, only to spend a few precious minutes with the Mursi and their Potemkin villages erected along the main road, set up solely for tourists looking to capture photographs in exchange for money. Here is where a few Mursi will dress in cattle horns, lip rings, beaded necklaces, fruit, and other makeup and garb simply to earn a few dollars from outsiders seeking exoticism. Ben and I are venturing beyond those tourist areas and into the innermost villages where the costumes are taken off and the brutal life of living in the bush begin. The Mursi are known to be ruthless, dangerous, and volatile with respect to their neighbors. Often at war over political or agricultural issues, it is not a safe territory for outsiders, even for our driver who lives several hours away but is distinctively seen as from a different group of people. Mursi women are best known for their large gaping lip plates that encircle the lower lip. Gauged ears are also common here. Girls' lips are pierced at the age of 15 or 16 if they so choose. Occasionally, lip plates are worn to dance by unmarried women, and increasingly they are worn to attract tourists in order to earn some extra money. Almost every adolescent male carries a large staff or donga at all times. This sort of staff fighting, it's a form of ritualized male violence, is highly valued and a highly popular activity among Mursi men, especially unmarried men, and a key marker of Mursi identity. There is a lot to discover about this group of people, as their isolation has made it difficult to connect with the outside world in ways much different from the indigenous tribes of South America, or Kenya's Maasai, or the others found in Polynesia, for example. Thank you very much for following me on this journey. I wanted to get these videos up as soon as possible, as I am set to visit the Mursi again with Ben, and it is important that I show the world as much as I can about this fascinating community of people. If you like what I'm trying to do, please consider liking, subscribing, hit the notification bell if you want to keep up with more of these truly rare and unpopular excursions. Now onward and action.
We're now stuck in all of this mud, and we're trying to figure out how the hell to get out of it. So let's see. This mud is thick. Why don't you get behind there and push this thing? We might have to push. Push. What we're on. Hello. Hello. Ugh, this is treacherous. Looks like that one burned down. Salam. All right, we're out of the road. We're out of the mud.